dhiman qarnima kuma dhawaaqeen haddaan dhimasho loo hubin jamhuuriyad ma dhalineen inaan qabiilka dhaafno eregna aynu gaarno inaan qabiilka dhaafno eregna aynu gaarno cudurka aan dhammayno shanta ilees dhaxkeeno ashoodu wada cayaarto shanta ilees dhaxkeeno gumaysiga ka dhowrno adduunkana u dhaxayno
عليكم السلام.
We would also like to see all aggression or violence stopped and Somalians be honest. Internally?
Yes, good. Yeah, I saw the exactly.
I'll wave you. Don't worry.
There's plenty of groups out there. Far and wide.
والله اسكو هايستا وحي مدحدك عديقي والله اسكو هايستا تلجا وررسلي ورليلا ورليدا ملسو ورليدا وحاريه الليساي والله اسكو هايستا وحد قيسة تويديل والله اسكو هايستا ودليا ويلهيلي والله اسكو هايستا والله اسكو هايستا وحي مدحدك عديقي والله اسكو هايستا انت سو عيالا وقتك حسابا ويناتك قضبتي وانيكا قدنيان وانيكا قدنيان والله اسكو هايستا وحي مدحدك عديقي والله اسكو هايستا
Hanti waxaad leedahay dhulkaaga hooya.
Free Somalia! Free Somalia! Free Somalia! سواء إنسان نوع دمادن. هذا الخطبة هذا الكنوع بلا فاضل.
Can I get your attention for a second? We will start our formal bathhouse, our rally. I would like to thank you all for coming today in this cold Saturday morning. Thank you for coming and showing your support and solidarity to the situation we have in Somalia. On behalf of the organizing committee, I would like once again to thank you for your participation in this important event. We are here today to express our dismay and anger over the Ethiopian occupation of a sovereign country and the American bombing of innocent Somalia.
Shame on you, America! Shame on Bush! Shame on you, Bush!
No country that respects international law would accept the occupation of one country over another. The Ethiopian occupation and the American bombing has caused a humanitarian crisis of unprecedented nature. We are asking all peace-loving people to condemn this occupation and bombing. The problems of negotiation, but not through the use of force.
That's right.
I would also like to convey my thanks on behalf of the coalition to all other groups and coalitions that supported us to organize this important event today. I would like to thank first the Toronto Coalition to Stop the War, who was with us from the beginning and supported us. The Canadian...
Thank you.
And also the Canadian Arab Federation, I would want to thank and convey my sincere gratitude and thanks. They were one of the first organizations to come out and condemn this occupation. And
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
I would also like to thank the Canadian Peace Alliance, the Muslim Unity Group, Trade Unionists Against the War, Coalition Against Israel Apartheid, and finally, the organization No One is Illegal, who has supported us from the beginning.
Thank you.
And today, many Somali young people actually were the people who organized it and put a lot of energy to this. So, and I will pass the mic to Sharmarke, who will be our MC this morning, and he will call the speakers, and we would like all people who are here to do a formal support to be close to the mic, so we will call, and then we can continue with our program. Here, Sharmarke.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I'd like to thank everybody for coming out today to this peaceful assembly. I'm here today to recite knowledge so we can all gain wisdom from this peaceful assembly. There's a time and place for everything in life, and today's the day where we as Somalians rebel for change. We have to unite and put our differences aside so that we can work together to build our country back. This coalition demands an immediate withdrawal of Ethiopian troops from Somalia.
Yes. Out of Somalia. Ethiopia out of Somalia.
The end to U.S. diplomatic and military support of Ethiopian troops in the occupation of Somalia.
Stop the occupation
Of Somalia. The Canadian government to join the international community in condemning this aggression.
Yes.
waxaan wada jir loo talin nina ku dhaadan maaye waxaan wada jir loo talin nina ku dhaadan maaye waxaan dhididka loo shubin nina kuma dhergaaye waxaan dhididka loo shubin nina kuma dhergaaye waxaan garasho loo dhigin dhaliil lagama waaye waxaan garasho loo dhigin dhaliil lagama waaye